Hello, Ellie. Do you have the hiccups? What are you looking at over here? Do you have hiccups? I think you do. Why do you keep looking down? What are you looking at over here? Do you see anything? I have some milk for you as soon as you stop hiccuping. Okay? As soon as you stop hiccuping. Look over here, okay? Let me see your eyes. I think you have brown eyes. Look over here. Do you have brown eyes? What's this look on your face? You look a little suspicious, skeptical. Okay, we'll wait a little bit until your hiccups go away.